is differential equation. Differential equation जैसे आपको पता है equation in derivatives, right? So first we will start order. What is order of differential equation? Order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative. Highest derivative in the differential equation. Order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative. Similarly, next we have degree. Degree is degree of, again same, highest derivative in the differential equation. For example, dy by dx whole square plus d square y over dx square plus y equal to 0. So in this case, order of this differential equation, order is equal to 2, order of highest derivative is 2, and degree of this total differential equation, degree of this equation, हम इसकी डिग्री देखेंगे, सेकंड डेरिवेटिव की डिग्री क्या आ रही है. डिग्री ऑफ दिस इज 1, therefore order is 2, degree is equal to 1. So next we have solution of differential equations. Solution of differential equation is the relation between dependent variable and independent variable which satisfy the given equation. Relation between dependent variable and independent variable which satisfy the given equation. For example, y equal to a cos 4x plus b sin 4x is a solution of differential equation d square y over dx square plus 16y equal to 0. Because this will satisfy this equation, y equal to this, so derivative, first derivative is minus a 4 sin 4x plus 4b cos 4x. Next, second derivative is minus 16a cos 4x minus 16b sin 4x. So we can take minus 16 common, which is a cos 4x plus b sin 4x. So what is this? This is equal to y. So this is equal to minus 16y. Therefore we get double derivative plus 16y equal to 0. So in this case, y equal to this is the solution of this because y satisfies this differential equation. Next is formation of differential equation. Formation of differential equation. If the equation of curve is given, then its differential equation is obtained by eliminating arbitrary constant in the differential equation. If the equation of curve is given, then its differential equation is obtained by eliminating arbitrary constant in the equation. Arbitrary constant means जितने उसमें constant होंगे. We have to eliminate constants with the help of equation and the equation found by differentiation of the equation. For example, question is find the differential equation of y equal to e raised to power x a cos x plus b sin x. We have to find solution of this equation, differential equation. Find the differential equation of this. So in this case, we have two constants a and b. So we have to eliminate a and b. So number of constant is 2. There are two constants a and b. So हम इसको दो बार differentiate करेंगे. अगर एक ही constant होगा, for example only a, तो तब हम इसको एक ही बार differentiate करेंगे. And we have to eliminate constant a and b with the help of this equation and the equation obtained by differentiating this equation. So first derivative is e raised to power x minus a sin 4x plus b cos x plus e raised to power x same a cos x plus b sin x. What is this? This is again equal to y. So we get y dash equal to e raised to power x minus a sin x plus b cos x plus y. So there are two constant. एक बार हमने differentiate किया है. Again we have to differentiate. Double derivative is e raised to power x minus a cos x minus b sin x plus e raised to power x same minus a sin x plus b cos x plus derivative of y is y dash. Therefore we get y dash double dash equal to, and what is this, taking minus common, we get minus y, this is equal to minus y plus, and this is equal to, from this equation, y dash e raised to power x, value of this is this is and this is same, value of this is y dash minus y plus this y dash which implies y dash is equal to minus 2y plus 2y dash. So therefore we have eliminated constants a and b. So we get differential equation d square y over dx square plus 2 dy by dx minus plus 2y equal to 0. Next method to solve differential equation is variable separable. Equations with variable separable. So question is solve x square minus y x square dy plus y square plus x square y square into dx equal to 0. So first method is variable separable. इसमें हमने x और y को separate करना है. So taking x square common, we get 1 minus y dy. Taking y square common, so we get minus y square 1 plus x square dx. So which implies 1 minus y over y square dy equal to minus 1 plus x square over x square dx. So variable इस केस में separate हो गई. Now we have to integrate this. Integrating both sides. So integration of this 1 over y square means y raised to power minus 2 with respect to y minus 1 over y is equal to minus x raised to power minus 2 plus 1. We get y raised to power minus 3 minus 2 plus 1 1 over y minus minus log y minus x raised power minus 1, so it means minus 1 is plus 1 by x, then minus x plus constant of integration. So this is solution of this differential equation. So next is equations reducible to variable separable. Equations reducible to variable separable. Differential equations of the form dy by dx equal to f of ax plus by plus c. This differential equation can be reduced to variable separable by substitution ax plus by plus c equal to t. So in this case, put this equal to t, then we can separate variable t and x. For example, question is solve dy by dx equal to sine x plus y plus cos x plus y. So in this case, we can't separate variables, we can't separate x and y. So in this case, we can put x plus y equal to t. So which implies 1 plus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. So value of dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1. So putting this value in this, so we get dt by dx minus 1, ये वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पे पुट की, इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स साइन टी प्लस कॉस टी. Now we can separate variables t and x. So we get dt by dx equal to 1 plus sin t plus cos t. So which implies dt over 1 plus sin t plus cos t equal to dx. So we have separated both the variables x and y. So now we can integrate this to find solution of this equation. So how to integrate this? We have done in integration. Convert this in terms of tan 2 tan t by 2 over 1 plus tan square t by 2. Similarly, convert this in terms of t cos t 1 minus tan square t by 2 over 1 plus tan square t by 2. Then put tan x by 2 equal to t. So we can integrate this equation to find solution of given equation. Next method to solve differential equation is homogeneous differential equations. A function fxy is homogeneous. A function f of xy is homogeneous of degree n if this is of degree n if f of xy is equal to t raised power n, replace x by tx and ty, or this is equal to x raised power n function of y by x. It means x raised power n कॉमन. सो जो बाकी टर्म होगी, बाकी इक्वेशन होगी, उसको हमने इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, g फंक्शन ऑफ y by x or y raised power n any function of x by y. Next is method to solve homogeneous differential equations. Method to solve homogeneous differential equation. Put y equal to vx, then find derivative dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So हमने गिवन इक्वेशन में वैल्यू ऑफ y पुट करनी है एंड वैल्यू ऑफ dy बाई dx. सो इक्वेशन आएगी v और x में. उसके बाद हमने वेरिएबल्स v एंड x को सेपरेट करना है. देन वी विल अप्लाई मेथड ऑफ वेरिएबल सेपरेबल. फॉर एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. दिस इज होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. एक इसका रफ मेथड ये होता है चेक करने का. डिग्री ऑफ ईच टर्म शुड बी सेम. डिग्री इस टोटल टर्म की डिग्री क्या है? एक्स स्क्वायर की डिग्री 2, y की डिग्री 1. सो टोटल डिग्री ऑफ दिस टर्म इज 3, 3, 3. Therefore, this is homogeneous differential equation. We will have to apply this method. So put y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to this. So in this case, dy by dx equal to x square y over x cube plus y cube. So put y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to this. We get v plus x into dv by dx equal to x square into value of y which is vx. So यहाँ पे हो जाएगा x cube into v over x cube plus x cube v cube equal to v over 1 plus v cube. Therefore x into dv by dx equal to v over 1 plus v cube माइनस v. हमने इसके बाद वेरिएबल सेपरेट करने हैं. सो v को हम उस साइड लेके गए. एलसीएम 1 प्लस v क्यूब माइनस v रेस्ट पावर 4 ये कैंसिल. सो विच इज इक्वल टू x इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस v रेस्ट पावर 4 ओवर 1 प्लस v क्यूब. Now we can separate variables v and x. So we get 1 plus v cube over v raised power 4. इसको सेपरेट कर दो यहाँ पे. Over v raised power 4 over v raised power 4 dv is equal to dx by x. So we have separated both the variables. Now we have to integrate this. Integration of this v raised power minus 4 plus 1 v raised power क्यूब v raised power minus 3 नीचे आके plus 3 over minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by v which is log of v equal to log of x plus constant of integration. So now last में value put कर देनी है. y was v into x. So value of v is y by x. So putting value of v in this and this, we get the required solution. So next method is to solve differential equation is non-homogeneous differential equations. Non-homogeneous differential equation reducible to homogeneous differential equations. Non-homogeneous differential equation reducible to homogeneous differential equation. For example, we have dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 over a2x plus b2y plus c2. In this case, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So these are non-homogeneous differential equation because degree of each term is not same. यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे डिग्री इसकी आगे 0, degree of variable. So this is not homogeneous differential equation. So इसको हम reduce करेंगे differential homogeneous differential equation में. So in this method we put small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. So we get dy by dx equal to capital dy by dx. So substituting these values in this equation, we get dy by dx equal to a1 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया, we get a1x b1y plus a1h plus b1k plus c1 over a2x plus b2y plus a2h plus b2k plus c2. In this method, we put a1h plus b1k plus c1 equal to 0 and a2h plus b2k plus c2 equal to 0. Solve these two equations to find h and k. We can find value of h and k from these two equations. So by putting these two equal to 0, we get this equation. From this equation we get dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y over a2x plus b2y, which is homogeneous differential equation which can be solved by method of homogeneous differential equation. So लास्ट में हमने वैल्यू ऑफ एच एंड के यहाँ से फाइंड करके इसमें वैल्यू पुट करनी है, देन फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड कैपिटल एक्स वाज दिस प्लस दिस, सो कैपिटल एक्स इज एक्स माइनस एच. ये वैल्यू हमने फिर से लास्ट में सॉल्यूशन में पुट करनी है. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. Next method is solution of linear differential equations. Solution of linear differential equation. General equation is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only. P and Q are functions of x only. First we find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e raised to power integration of p with respect to x. Find integrating factor. Then solution is y into integrating factor equal to q into integrating factor. इसको इंटीग्रेट करना है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स प्लस कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. इस केस में कंडीशन क्या होती है, पी एंड क्यू आर फंक्शंस ऑफ एक्स ओनली. इसमें सिर्फ एक्स की टर्म्स आनी चाहिए. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट है, इट शुड बी ऑलवेज 1. सिमिलरली we can solve this equation. Dx by dy plus Px equal to Q. In this case, P and Q are functions of y only. Integrating factor is equal to e raised to power p with respect to integration with respect to y. Then solution is x into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor with respect to y plus constant of integration. So we can try one question. Solve x into dy by dx plus y equal to x log x. So in this case, we can't separate variables. This is not homogeneous equation. This can't be reduced to homogeneous differential equation. So we will apply this method. Dividing by x, first step is coefficient of dy by dx is equal to 1. So dividing by x, we get dy by dx 1 by x into y equal to log x. So comparing this with dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So therefore p is equal to 1 by x, q is equal to log x. P and q both are functions of x only. So first find integrating factor, which is e raised to power integration of p, which is 1 by x dx, which is log x base is e, so which is equal to only x. Therefore solution is y into integrating factor, y into x equal to integration of q into integrating factor, q is log x into x प्लस कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. सो इसको इंटीग्रेट करना है x इंटू लॉग एक्स बाय पार्ट्स. सो आंसर इज y इंटू एक्स इक्वल टू फर्स्ट फंक्शन सेम इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 2 माइनस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट इंटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड प्लस कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. So therefore this is equal to cancel होके x रह जाएगा यहाँ पे. So y into x equal to x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 x square by 2. So this is equal to 4 plus constant of integration. Differential equations of second order. तो इसको हम एग्जांपल से ही कर लेंगे बिकॉज इसको हमने 2 बार इंटीग्रेट करना होता है. सिंपल थ्योरी है इसकी. सो क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व 1 माइनस कॉस 2x इंटू डी स्क्वेयर वाई ओवर डी एक्स स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू 1 प्लस कॉस 2x. So d square y over dx square equal to 1 plus cos 2x over 1 minus cos 2x, which is equal to cot square x, because ये क्या होता है 2 cos square x by 2 cos square x over 2 sin square x, which is cot square x. Now integrating this, integration of second order is first order dy by dx. Integration of this we will do it by cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Integration of cosecant square is minus cot x minus x plus constant of integration C1. Again integrating we get y equal to minus integration of cot x is minus log of sin x minus x square by 2 प्लस c1 की भी इंटीग्रेशन करनी है विच इज c1x प्लस c2. Therefore we get y which is equal to log of sin x minus x square by 2 plus c1x plus c2, another constant of integration. Now we will start assignment of integral calculus. If dx over integration of x cube into x minus 1 raised to power 1 by 2 equal to under root x minus 1 into 3x plus 2 over 4x square plus k into tan inverse x tan inverse under root x minus 1 प्लस कांस्टेंट. सो हमने यहाँ से k फाइंड करना है. देन वैल्यू ऑफ k इज ऑप्शंस आर ए ऑप्शन इज 1 by 2, बी ऑप्शन इज 1, सी ऑप्शन इज 1 by 4, डी ऑप्शन इज 3 by 4. सो क्वेश्चन इज हमने इसको इंटीग्रेट भी करना है और इसको इस फॉर्म में भी कन्वर्ट करना है. सो यहाँ पे अंडर रूट आ गया. सो वी विल पुट x minus 1 equal to t square. So it means dx is equal to 2t dt and value of x is t square plus 1. So ये वैल्यूज हम यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे. So we get 2t dt over value of x is t square plus 1 whole cube and this is t. So t cancel. We get 2 dt over t square plus 1 whole cube. So integration of this t square plus 1 whole cube हमने फाइंड करनी है. Now to find integration of this we will use the formula 1 by y square plus h square raised to power k 1 by 2 into k minus 1 h square into y over y square plus h square raised to power k minus 1 plus 2k minus 3 over 2 into k minus 1 into 1 by h square into integration of dy over y square plus h square और जो पावर यहाँ पे थी k it will be reduced by 1 k minus 1. So जैसे k यहाँ पे अगर हम इसको इससे कंपेयर करें we get k equal to 3 and h is equal to 1. So put k equal to 3 and h is equal to 1. k equal to 3 h is equal to 1 और साथ में एक 2 भी है, इसको हम लास्ट में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो कीप दिस इन माइंड कि हमने सारे को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई भी करना है. सो k equal to 3 and h is equal to 1. So we get integration of this is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1 2 h is 1. Then we have t over t square plus 1 raised to power k was k minus 1 करना है, k was 3 which is 3 minus 1 2 plus 2k minus 3 means 6 minus 3 k को हमने 3 पुट किया, 6 minus 3 is 3 by 2 into k माइनस वन, k माइनस वन, 3 माइनस वन क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 2, 2 इंटू 2 इज 4, h is 1, so dt over t square integration of t square plus 1, k माइनस वन, k बस 3, सो आ जाएगा 2, सो इसकी इंटीग्रेशन हमने फिर से फाइंड करनी है। सो सिमिलरली जैसे अभी हमने यहाँ पे k को 3 पुट किया था, नाउ वी विल पुट k इक्वल टू 2, सेम फार्मूले में हम k इक्वल टू 2 पुट करेंगे। सो सपोज दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नाउ पुट k इक्वल टू 2, सो वी गेट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस इज पुटिंग k इक्वल टू 2, वी गेट 1 बाई, ये तो साथ में आएगा ही ऐसे, ये सारा इसको तो हम सेम ही रखेंगे यहाँ पे। सो नाउ वी आर वैल्यूटिंग दिस इंटीग्रेशन, 3/4 से मल्टीप्लाई भी करना है और स्टार्टिंग में 2 भी था हमारे पास, सो 3/4 इंटू इंटीग्रेशन, हम इसकी इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड कर रहे हैं। पुट k इक्वल टू 2, सो 2 माइनस 1 इज 2, h इज 1, t ओवर t स्क्वायर प्लस 1, 2 माइनस 1 इज 1, 2 माइनस 1 प्लस k को 2 पुट किया यहाँ पे, 4 माइनस 3 इज 1 by 2 into k equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 into 1 by 1 square, integration of dt over, put k equal to 2, in this case we get t square plus 1, and integration of this is, we know that tan inverse. So question था हमारे पास, हमने value of k find करनी है, what was k into tan inverse under root x minus 1 जो क्वेश्चन में था। सो व्हाट इज k? k इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ tan इनवर्स अंडर रूट x माइनस 1, सो इट मीन्स यहाँ पे tan इनवर्स आएगा, सो आंसर इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ दिस इज 1/2, बिकॉज हम इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, क्या आएगा tan इनवर्स t, सो यहाँ पे आएगा इसकी इंटीग्रेशन आ जाएगी 1/2 tan इनवर्स t, सो एक 1, सो देयरफॉर k इज एक स्टार्टिंग में 2 था, सो देन वी हैव 3/4 और एक ये आया 1/2, सो देयरफॉर आंसर इज 3/4। नाउ क्वेश्चन सेकंड इज fx इक्वल टू 1 बाई इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1/4 माइनस 3 cos square x plus 5 sin square x, if antiderivative of this is f of x equal to, what is this antiderivative? Fx is antiderivative of this, antiderivative means fx is integration of this is capital Fx is equal to 1/3 tan inverse gx g of x plus c, क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड gx, tan इनवर्स के बाद जो आएगा, सो फंक्शन ऑफ x gx इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, सो वी हैव ऑप्शंस 3 tan x, b ऑप्शन इज √2 tan x, c ऑप्शन इज 2 tan x, d ऑप्शन इज नन ऑफ दिस। सो अगेन सिंपल इसकी हमने इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करनी है, सो एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड 1/3 tan इनवर्स के बाद जो आएगा हमने उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। सो दिस इज फॉर्म which contains even powers of cos and sin, so dividing this by cos square, so we get secant square x dx over, इसको डिवाइड किया 4 into secant square x minus 3 plus 5 tan square x, so which is equal to secant square x over 4 into 1 plus tan square x plus 5 tan square x minus 3, which is equal to secant square x over 4 tan square x plus 5 tan square x is 9 tan square x plus 4 minus 3 is 1. So now we get simple integration of this is सो इसको हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? पुट tan x इक्वल टू t, so derivative of this is secant square x into dx equal to dt. So putting these values in this case, so we get I means total जो starting में function था हमारे पास, so dt over 9t square plus 1. So in this case taking 9 common, 1 by 9 dt over t square plus 1 by 3 square, which is equal to 1 by 9, 1 by a, so reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3, tan inverse t over this. So we get 1 by 3 tan inverse 3 t हमने पुट किया था tan x equal to t, so we get 3 tan x plus constant of integration. So comparing this with options, we get value of gx equal to, therefore gx equal to 3 tan x. So this is the answer, therefore option is A part. Therefore answer is A part. Now let's start question number 3rd, which is value of integration of dx over x4 plus 5x square plus 4. Then we have options A, B, C, D. So integration of this, we can factorize this. So this is equal to, factors of this are x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. Therefore we can write, we have done this in theory. 1, this is equal to 4 minus 1, 1 by 3, integration of 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 4. So integration of this is this, so integration, this is simple, 1 by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2. So this is 1 by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 6 tan inverse x by 2. Therefore option is D part. Therefore D is the right choice. Question number 4. If integration of x minus 1 whole square over x square plus 1 whole square dx equals to tan inverse x plus gx plus k, now then we have to find value of gx. Gx equals to what? Option A is tan inverse x by 2, B option is 1 by x square plus 1, C option is 1 by 2 x square plus 1, and D option is none of these. So we have to find gx, tan inverse के बाद जो gx आएगा, so we have to find value of gx. So integration of this is, we can write x minus 1 whole square equals to x square minus 2x plus 1 over x square plus 1 whole square. So we can write this as x square plus 1 over x square plus 1 whole square. So we can separate this, minus 2x over x square plus 1 whole square. Integration of this, which is again very simple, we can cancel this. So cancel होके आ गया ये 1 over x square plus 1 which is tan inverse x, यहाँ पे चाहिए भी हमारे को, minus integration of 2x over x square plus 1 whole square dx. So which is tan inverse x minus derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x, which is in the numerator. सो इसको हम पावर में लेके जाएंगे, न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाएंगे -2. सो देन यूजिंग द फार्मूला f raised power n into f dash which is f raised power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So by using this n is equal to -2. So -2 plus 1 is -1. So power denominator में आ जाएगी into -1. So therefore this is tan inverse x plus 1 by x square. Minus minus plus. Therefore option is B, 1 over x square plus 1. इसको इससे कंपेयर करेंगे, tan inverse x, this is gx plus constant of integration which is k. So therefore answer is 1 over x square plus 1. Question number 5. Integration of dx over x raised power 1 by 2 plus x raised power 1 by 3. So powers are in fraction and options are, A option is 1 by 3 log under root 1 minus x cube plus 1 over under root 1 minus x cube minus 1 plus constant of integration. Similarly, B is log under root 1 minus x cube minus 1 over under root 1 minus x cube plus 1. Similarly, C is 2 by 3 log 1 over under root 1 minus x cube, and D option is 1 by 3 log of 1 minus x cube. So in this case, powers are in fraction, so we have to remove these powers. So we will put x is equal to t raised power LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So taking derivative, so it means dx is equal to 6t5 dt. So putting this value in this, so which is I, suppose, so I is equal to 6t raised power 5 dt over t cube plus t raised power 2. So cancelling t square, so we get 6 into t cube over t square हमने cancel किया, so we get t plus 1. So integration of t cube over t plus 1 हम कैसे evaluate करेंगे? So degree of numerator is more than degree of denominator, it means we have to divide. So dividing this, so इसको actually हम divide करेंगे t cube over t plus 1 से इसको divide किया, we get t square, t cube plus t square, so cancel minus t square, so minus t, so minus t square minus t, which again cancel plus t, so plus 1 which is t plus 1 minus, so minus 1 is remainder. So therefore we can write this as 6 into t square minus t plus 1 quotient plus remainder minus 1 over, which is minus 1 over t plus 1. Now we have to find integration of this, which is very simple. We can find t cube by 3. So integration of this is 6 into t cube by 3 minus t square by 2 plus t minus log of t plus 1. सॉरी ये हमने ऑप्शन तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की लिख दी हैं. सो नाउ पुटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ, हमने पुट किया था x इज इक्वल टू टी रेस पावर 6, देयरफॉर t इज इक्वल टू x रेस पावर 1 by 6. सो पुटिंग t इक्वल टू x रेस पावर 1 by 6, वी गेट 6 इंटू, सो टोटल यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे पुट करके क्या आएगा, 2 रूट एक्स माइनस 3 क्यूब रूट ऑफ एक्स प्लस 6 इंटू 6th root of x minus 6 into log of 6th root of x plus 1. So this is our answer. So out of these options A, B, C, D, answer C is the right choice. Therefore answer is C part. Question number 6. Integration of dx over x into under root 1 minus x cube. So we have to find integration of this. इसमें under root आया, so we will put under root of 1 minus x cube equal to t, so which means 1 minus x cube equal to t square. So differentiating both sides, we get minus 3x square dx equal to 2t dt, which is x square into dx equal to minus 2 by 3t dt. So we need x square, dx के साथ x square आना चाहिए. So हम क्या करेंगे, x square से multiply divide, so we get x square dx over x cube into 1 under root of 1 minus x cube. Now value of x square dx is minus 2 by 3 t dt. Value of x cube we can find from this. Value of x cube is 1 minus t square into value of this is t. So we can cancel this, which is minus 2 by 3 1 over 1 minus t square dt. So bar minus भी है, so we can find minus 2 by 3 integration of this is 1 plus t over 1 minus t into 1 by 2a, which is 2. So 2 cancel, which is minus 1 by 3 log of value of t is under root 1 minus x cube over 1 minus value of t is 1 minus x cube. So bar minus है, हम इसको interchange कर देंगे. Therefore final answer is 1 by 3 log of 1 minus under root 1 minus x cube over 1 plus under root 1 minus x cube. ये फार्मूला था, माइनस log of x इक्वल टू log of 1 by x. बार माइनस है तो इनको इंटरचेंज कर देना है, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस. Therefore our answer is 1 by 3 log of 1 minus this. Answer is B part. Now question number 7. Integration of x into tan inverse x over under root of 1 plus x square dx is already given to be under root 1 plus x square into f of x plus k into log of x plus under root x square plus 1. So then option A is fx equal to tan inverse x, k equal to minus 1. Option B is fx equal to tan inverse x and k equal to 1. Option C is fx equal to 2 tan inverse x, k equal to minus 1. Option D is fx equal to 2 tan inverse x, k equal to 1. So it means we have to find fx and value of k. Value of k is coefficient of log and value of fx is coefficient of under root 1 plus x square. So integrating this by parts, we can take this to be second function and this to be first function. So in first function same, integration of second dx minus derivative of first, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 plus x square into integration of x over under root 1 plus x square. So it means we have to find integration of this in both cases. So पहले हम इसकी integration find करेंगे. So integration of x over under root 1 plus x square. So this is a derivative of this. So multiplying dividing by 2, which is 2x 1 plus x square raised to power minus 1 by 2 into 2x dx. So the derivative of this is this. So f raised to power n into f dash is f raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So this is, इसमें 1 ऐड करेंगे हम. So this is equal to 1 by 2. 1 ऐड करके क्या आएगा, प्लस 1 ऐड किया, so 1 by 2 डिनोमिनेटर में जाके, so sorry, this is in the numerator, which is under root of this over n plus 1 over 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel. So integration of this is under root 1 plus x square. So यहाँ पे हम पुट कर सकते हैं ये वैल्यू. So therefore from 1 we get, ये वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली पुट कर देते हैं. So under root of 1 plus x square. So integration of this is under root of 1 plus x square. So यहाँ पे भी under root of 1 plus x square. So it means we have to find integration of this now. So यहाँ से एक पार्ट तो हमारा क्लियर ही हो गया. Value of fx is comparing this this and this. So value of fx is tan inverse x. So fx is tan inverse x in both these two cases. So answer is out of a and b. Now we have to find k. So k is integration of this. So इसको हम cancel करेंगे, which is equal to minus 1 over under root 1 plus x square. So integration of this is minus log of x plus under root x square plus 1. So compare this and this. It means k is equal to, coefficient of log is minus. So it means k is equal to minus 1. Therefore answer is A part. Fx equal to tan inverse x and k equal to minus 1. Question number 8. Integration of cos 4x minus 1 over cot x minus tan x. So answer is simple है इसमें, integration इसकी simple है. So we can have 1 minus cos theta minus common लेके 2 sin square 2x over cos by sin, sin by cos, which is equal to cos by sin, sin by cos. LCM is cos square minus sin square x into cos x into sin x dx, cos square minus sin square x. So 2 sin x cos x is equal to minus sin square 2x into sin 2x dx over cos 2x. So cos 2x. So derivative of cos 2x is sin 2x dx. So it means we have to put cos 2x equal to t. So it means हम इसको चेंज कर देंगे 1 minus cos square, which is 1 minus cos square 2x. So put cos 2x equal to t. So it means derivative of this is minus 2 sin 2x dx equal to dt. So in value of this is minus dt by 2 minus 1 minus t square. Value of this is minus, so minus minus plus dt by 2, 1 by 2 over t. So this is again very simple, 1 by t minus t, 1 by t minus t. So integration of this is half log t minus t square by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2, value of t is cos 2x minus cos square 2x by 2. So now compare this with options. So there is no other option, A, B, C, D. So answer is D part, none of these. Question number 9. Integration of e raised power tan inverse x 1 plus x square over 1 plus x square. So options are, we have to find integration of this. Options are e raised power tan inverse x over 1 plus x square plus c x e raised power tan inverse x over 1 plus x square, and C option is x into e raised power tan inverse x, and D is none of these. ई रेस्ट पावर टेन इनवर्स एक्स वन प्लस दिस ओवर दिस। सो इस केस में हम फार्मूला यूज करेंगे ई रेस्ट पावर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई रेस्ट पावर एक्स एफ प्लस एफ डैश विच इज इक्वल टू ई रेस्ट पावर एक्स इंटू एफ। सो ई रेस्ट पावर एक्स आना चाहिए, पावर उसकी लीनियर होनी चाहिए। सो इट मीन्स हम पुट कर देंगे टेन इनवर्स एक्स इक्वल टू टी। सो एक्स इक्वल टू टेन टी, put this equal to t, x equal to tan t, so dx equal to secant square x dt. So therefore this I becomes e raised power t. So वैल्यू हम यहाँ से फाइंड करेंगे dx की, डेरिवेटिव tan इनवर्स इज 1 over 1 plus x square dx equal to dt, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में आ रहा है 1 over 1 plus x square, so we can't use this. So e raised power t, putting this value 1 plus put x equal to tan t, so 1 plus इसको पहले यूज करेंगे 1 plus tan square t plus tan t, और ये हमारा आ गया dt में 1 over 1 plus x square dx is dt. Now we know that 1 plus tan square is secant square, so secant square t plus tan t. So using this formula e raised power x f plus f dash, derivative of tan is secant square, so this is f and this is f dash, therefore answer is e raised power t into tan t. So value of e raised power t, e raised power tan inverse x, and value of tan t is x. Now compare this with so we get C, therefore C is the answer. Question number 10. Integration of dx over under root 2 minus 3x minus x square f of g of x plus c. So we have to find f and g out of this. So this is very simple. So perfect square, taking minus common, which is x square plus 3x minus 2. So इसका perfect square हम बनाएंगे, कैसे बनाएंगे, half the coefficient of x, x plus 3 है यहाँ पे, 3 का हाफ 3/2 होल स्केयर, माइनस साथ में इसका स्केयर माइनस करना होता है, माइनस 9/4 माइनस 2 एज इट इज, सो विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस x plus 3/2 होल स्केयर माइनस 4 to the 8 minus 9 minus 17/4. So integration of this dx over माइनस इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया है, सो वी गेट अंडर रूट 17/2 होल स्केयर माइनस, ये माइनस वाला प्लस हो जाएगा, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो दिस इज माइनस ऑफ x प्लस 3/2 होल स्केयर. सो फार्मूला कौन सा अप्लाई होगा, dx ओवर अंडर रूट a स्केयर माइनस x स्केयर विच इज साइन इनवर्स x बाई a. देयरफॉर आंसर इज साइन इनवर्स x बाई a. x is x plus 3/2 over a is under root 17/2. Therefore we get sin inverse LCM लेके 2x plus 3 over under root of 17. तो इस आंसर was f of g at x plus constant of course. So we have to find f and g. Therefore comparing this with this, we get f of g, f of x equal to sin inverse x, and g of x equal to 2x plus 3 under root of 17. Therefore fx equal to sin inverse x and gx equal to 2x plus 3 by under root 17. Therefore answer is C part. Question number 11, integration of dx over x into under root 5x square minus 3 equals to k into tan inverse f of x plus c. We have to find f of x and k, value of k. Comparing this, so इसको हमने integrate करना है. So then we have to compare these values. So again under root आया यहाँ पे. So we will put 5x square minus 3 equal to t square. So taking derivative both side, 10x dx equal to 2t dt. So it means x into dx equal to 1 by 5t dt. So एक तो ये वैल्यू. So it means न्यूमरेटर में हमारे पास x चाहिए साथ में और हमारे पास वैल्यू ऑफ x स्क्वायर है. सो हम यहाँ पे x से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे. सपोज दिस इज i. सो दिस मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग बाय x. सो वी गेट x dx over x square under root of 5x square minus 3. Now putting these values, value of x dx is 1 by 5 t dt over value of x square which is, यहाँ से हम x square फाइंड करेंगे which is t square plus 3 over 5 and value of this is t. So ये t cancel, 5 से 5 cancel, therefore we get dt over t square plus 3 means root 3 square which is 1 by a tan inverse x by a which is t by root 3. So this is equal to 1 by root 3. Value of tan x हमने t put किया था 5x square minus 3 under root is equal to t. So t by root 3. So we get 5x square minus 3 t over root 3 tan inverse. So comparing this and this, we get k equal to 1 by root 3 and f of x equal to this by this which is 5 by 3 x square minus 1. So out of this option k equal to 1 by root 3 and fx equal to 5 by 3 x square minus 1 which is b part. Therefore answer is b part.